All right, so what are we thinking to put in there?
Everything.
Bullet shells.
Bullet shells?
Hydro flask.
Yeah.
Hydro flask. Okay, we can put the hydro flask in there and see what we get.
Yes.
And then, I was thinking we do grapes if we got grapes.
Maybe. Oh, to make the
Grapes. We can make plasma with grapes. You know what I'm saying? You know, you feel me?
Yeah. One. It ain't working, Maddox.
It ain't working.
It ain't working.
Well, is it?
Is your olive brown?
Are we doing this outside or inside?
I broke it. Oh my god. Oh, it's working.
It's on.
It's working. You guys are ready?
This is probably the one that we burned popcorn in at school. Boom. Oh, that smells so bad. Yeah, there's our test supplies. Is it? Oh shoot!
Ooh.
Ooh, ooh.
That actually smells.
Oh, I almost touched it. Okay.
Bullet shells.
Can you see this?
Electric motor.
Hold on, hold on.
Yeah, throw it. Oop it. Oop it.
And I oops.
Not that one.
Not that one.
We're gonna go big.
Bullet
go
shells.
home. Yes.
Go big or go home. Our supply of
There we go.
our vitamin. Ooh.
Lawnmower starter.
All right. And you put the hot pocket in there for 53 minutes.
Whoa. Oh.
Roughly.
Start. Possibly 52 if you could have.
You darn right. I wonder what. It's probably nothing. Oh, sparking. Uh-oh. It's starting.
Oh no.
It's starting. You know, I do not feel this close into the microwave.
Oh yes.
In 1 second.
Oh yes.
Oh, focus.
Just zoom out.
There you go.
I have an idea.
What's your idea?
We sand the paint down to bare metal over here, so we get more sparks.
All
It
right.
ain't working. Keep going. Where's the paint
Inside.
remover?
Nope.
Work.
That's not working.
Just put it in there.
Uh-oh.
It's we're welding, guys.
What?
It's how you weld.
Bro, open that.
Oh, jeez. We cooked the brush. There's your brush. Oh, that smells. Yeah, it's a smelly brush.
Yes,
You
sir.
got a lot of zits.
Let's
Oh, shoot.
Lick it.
Lick it, I dare you.
Ooh.
Blower in
Oh,
it.
something everyone can do. A bicycle handle.
All right.
You can do it at home.
Quick start. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, shoot. You know, thinking about this, we should probably move it out of the garage.
Yeah.
Stop it, stop it. And I, oops.
Bring it outside.
Yeah, let's just bring this thing outside.
Because there's water on that tree.
You darn right.
So now we get to put gasoline in it?
Yes. Money shot it.
Money shot. What happens if you put wood in a microwave?
Campfire. Soccer skills. Neymar.
Neymar Jr.
Neymar Jr. is not affiliated with this, by the way. We decided a tire would be a good idea. Wait, the lawnmower. What's your idea?
We'll do it when my dad isn't home.
Okay.
Okay.
Take a muffler?
Muscle.
Camshaft.
I know you. I
Camshaft.
have.
Camshaft. Rusty old camshaft.
Yeah, that's what I said. That's what I said.
I want to crack the headlight on this thing.
We will do starting fluid. Leaves.
Whoa. We got the highly spray painted thing.
Yeah, I ran out of spray paint. Oopsies.
What are you doing? Wow.
Okay, put that back, my boy. Okay.
Cook the muffler. Yeah.
Yeah.
Go right down the hill.
Wait.
Status update. We're on top of the hill. And go.
With me.
Oh, that's bumpy. God dang it. You didn't go far.
It's lightning.
Definitely.
It's so smoky in there you can't even see it. Except the fire. Occasionally we have fires in microwaves.
Oh, there it goes.
Ow! Ow! Wow! My leaves! Cook it. Cook it! Cook her real good! Whoa! That's definitely a microwave. You know, we could cook something on that. Where's the beans? I need some cashews! I need duct tape! Fun Hot Wheel. We're just gonna call that Hot Wheel car beans, okay?
Okay.
Okay? Alright. Do we have some freshly cooked Hot Wheel cars?
Guys, the copper.
Is still smelting itself.
That's how you suck successfully.
This is how the Wahoo boys cook their stuff. What did we put in there, Max?
Nothing. It's empty.
Alright.
It's empty. Alright.
Empty the
No,
leaves.
you know what's overrated? This thing.
The door. Yeah, who needs a door?
We should rip it off, like totally.
Well, if we rip it off, it won't work.
Uh-huh.
Stupid idiot.
Uh-uh.
Uh-huh.
No, if you do it right.
Yeah, if you do alright.
Alright, Max, how are you gonna do this?
Hey, what boy, no race
One
cars allowed.
bean. One bean.
Wow. Hey.
Hey,
Bean bowl.
I took your seat. Oh, shoot. We have electricity. Yeah, that definitely just lit up.
Where's it at?
I don't know.
What's lighting up?
Oh, the roof.
The roof's on fire. Nick, cook something.
It's the roof. It's getting hot in there.
No, why'd you edit it?
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Let's check it.
Welcome to my MTV crib.
Welcome to my...
Your moisty crib. That's one black roof. We're not racist here either. Oh, dude.
Black is just a color.
Yeah. Even though we're colorblind.
Why is the roof starting on fire?
Why is the well? Maybe because the wire was on the roof.
We need to get a wire to connect from one spot to another.
Okay.
Watch me flip this.
Oh, I meant.
There, cook it upside down. Whoa!
Nice.
What are you doing?
Skateboard.
Okay. I see no wheels. Okay, what are we cooking today?
Observe.
Upside down.
Hey, look, there's a can.
Hey,
See the wire? It's doing its thing. It's welding. Oh no, it stopped.
I hope it blows up.
Me too. Do we have any old CDs like Star Trek that nobody wants to watch?
I mean,
Because if you cook a CD, that's fun. And if you cook an egg, that's also fun because the egg like boils up in the inside, and when like the shell gets, it'll just coat the microwave. I am dead serious too.
Hey, it's not doing anything.
Oh. Open it up!
smokestack coming.
Oh wow, that is definitely one burnt rough. Wow. Hello there. Okay, the inside of the house is disclosed. We cannot see except that.
Welcome to my crib.
That's, we don't keep eggs in there. Whoa. Get a CD that nobody likes. What do we got?
Tony Hawk.
Tony Hawk.
Yeah, it's for
Pro Skater.
retarded.
What are you doing?
Okay. Okay,
Alright, I'm coming.
let's go check in on the microwave.
Alright. It's still smoking!
It is on fire.
Oh, it is on fire! Wow! Wow!
It's smoking, man.
Oh, now it's plasma.
Wow! Check it out!
What does the DVD do?
That's pretty hot. Please insert your CD into your Blu-ray player.
Man, go where's the player then? Go grab the player.
Okay. We only got a needle nose.
Flavor.
It's only a needle nose. Take our needle nose.
So good at skateboarding.
Please insert your CD into your Blu-ray player. Cooking for 15 minutes exactly.
For the perfect mixtape.
Cook it.
Let's see how fire it'll be. Is it like?
Apparently it's gonna blow up or something.
What?
Well, that's why we got another one.
Yo!
Yeah, I like this one though. We're not. I'm gonna actually.
It's cooking.
Oh.
All right, he's getting close. He's getting close. Everybody back away, back away, back away, back away.
It can't do anything.
Uh-oh.
Oh shoot! It just
It just melted.
just
Let that up. PlayStation.
Look.
Oh,
Pretty toasty.
I've
yo,
never seen that.
that's my fire track right there.
You can't wait. Dude, this thing looks sick.
Yeah. New heavy metal.
That's my designer track right there. You know. Oh, that's hot.
Hey, retard. This is how you make electricity with one of these things.
With a
It
flap.
can power itself, dude.
Whoa!
It could power itself.
Close the door.
Put this in here. No, we're not
Put
there.
the keys in.
Okay.
Keys in.
That's the lawnmower key.
No, it's the microwave key.
Yeah, we hot.
What are you drinking, Dr. Pepper?
No,
Diet?
beer.
Fatso. Microwave update. Absolutely nothing.
Good thing we put it in for 15 minutes.
Yeah. Well, we'll come back in 50 minutes. Okay, we got fire mixtape. And we just put starting fluid in a microwave. Dang it, focus.
Then it already did it. I heard it.
Oh. That's a hose clamp, dummy. Put the starting fluid in it.
Yeah, I know. I did.
Just put the whole can.
Let's see what happens when it's just hot.
Put so much in there.
Start firing mixtape.
Fuck. What? What? Starting fluid?
Read it.
It is fun.
Whole thing just blows up. Whoa! Yeah. Jeez.
I knew I'd blow the microwave door open. That's why I was like, what?
Smells like dinner.
Dinner's ready. We got hose clamps for dinner.
Does the microwave even work anymore?
Shh, stop it! Yeah, good thing we didn't do that in your garage. What was that, bug spray?
Yeah.
Hose clamp.
Run! It's coming! Holy G! Stop it!
See? Look, you didn't hear the.
Oh, something happening!
I don't think this is flammable enough.
It's going.
I mean, something's happening.
Back up.
Back up, back up, back up.
Oh,
Whoa!
you missed it!
Back up!
About the hydrophone? On what?
All right, back up.
Back up.
Funny.
Supposed to land the station.
It's a hydro flask.
You think we could fix the dent in it by putting it in here?
Yeah.
Yes.
Put the lid on it.
Give me hide the.
Fill it with like starter fluid till like where there's liquid sitting on the bottom of it.
Oh, that is
Look at the
retarded.
CD. It's
idea.
black now.
It was black.
Oh.
In the hydro flask. Oops, and then scoot. It's done.
Phone's ready.
Put more.
Like spray the outside as well.
Oh, hello, Dad.
Stop! Stop! Stop, man. Dude, there's.
Close it. Start it and back up.
Barely sprayed any.
Don't aim it at the garage. I think it's the hydrophone.
There goes the hydro flask. Oh no!
Keep going.
Yeah.
What doing?
Keep going.
Stop it! It's on fire! My hydro flask! Oh my gosh!
Where did we get the dent out?
Yeah. All right. This is blacksmithing in the 21st century.
Wow. Damn. Didn't work so well.
More time.
Mutambo.
And Max, oops, and it's burned up.
That didn't even get me in. Oh,
Yeah. Nobody trusts you with starting fluid.
a lot.
All right, back up, back up, back. Wow!
Now that. No.
I'm leaving before it burns down.
Why?
Well, that'd be good content. We're done to
Boy
burn
starts
some.
on fire, not clickbait.
Okay, bye.
It's my own house.
Just leaves the own house. Us stays here. What was that?
Nick.
Is it warm?
No. It just lit on fire. Of course it's warm.
It's supposed to stay cold.
Max, what are you cooking today in Max's garage?
That should be a new cooking show.
Yes. Welcome back to our cooking show. Nick, what are you going to be cooking with today?
Charcoal.
Charcoal and a grill. That's good. That's good. Max, what are you going to be cooking with today?
Yes.
Gas? That's pretty neat.
So,
Give to the poor.
no. I give to rich people, so here you go.
Yeah! Okay, while we were munching about our thing, this is still going. Munching about our lawnmowers, our sick lawnmowers.
Hot dogs.
Hot dogs. No. Hey, we could cook hot dogs. Oh my gosh.
What's right here?
Yeah.
27 horsepower. 24 horsepower. Engine swaps, baby. Hey, canceled.
It's the egg.
So here goes an egg. Why is an egg sparking?
Wait, did you leave the thingy in there?
How long did you put it in there for?
15
Oh, okay.
seconds?
Well, that'll be good. Why is the hose clamp doing more than an egg? Maybe because it needs to boil, dude. I was told that it was just gonna go boom. Yeah, that's definitely one coated microwave. Anybody hungry? So I've been like walking around these people and looks like they're dating. Oh crap, whatever you saw me. Hey! Is this your guys' first date? What are you cooking? Are you making eggs?
Okay. I'm gonna laugh if it's shattered.
Yeah, it went boom.
What era were you born?
93.
93? Okay. How do you start your lawnmower, you think?
This thingy right here, the key.
It's got it all right.
That is one disgusting microwave. Instead of burying stuff, you burn it. Wow.
Now look.
Our government is dumb.
Is this the bag of dishes?
Look how much smaller that got.
Yeah, see? So this kid just ate thousands of gushers. Are you just finding trash from the garage and shoving it in there?
Hey, you can't record me.
I thought you were my dad.
You can't record me.
This was a problem. Guys, it just blew up or something. Come look, come look, come look, come look. Kidding, nothing happened. You guys are stupid.
You're the one that blew up.
Do you know how many ramen noodles have been cooked in that microwave? This is literally what my school. Oh my gosh. It's sideways! Oh shoot! Ow shoot! Whoa, that was weird.
Wait, do we have to shake it?
That doesn't sound good.
What are you doing?
It's a little bar. What is that, chapstick?
Yeah. I love playing top.
A fire! How to fix it? Tape. Oh my god.
Big buddy, I'm gonna have to kill you. It's hard. You broke it.
I I didn't break it.
It's probably just like cooked shut. That is a disgusting microwave.
What do you mean? There's no dent in it or anything. Let me just $50, you can have it.
You are...
I'll go grab some in a second.
Okay, thank you. I know you're supposed to leave like a long time ago. Grab some Pop-Tarts.
Pick it up.
I'm like recording with like a Google Pixel. This thing does not focus.
Here.
Oh, well, let me see. Oh, that's like the cookery machine. Break it. My turn, let me hit it. Come here.
Alright, go.
Maybe it'll work.
Okay. Or you can dip it. Fully still shut.
Oh, it's smoking. Whoa! What?
Open it, white boy.
Oh, nice. That's definitely nice. Oh.
Man.
It's cooking! It's cooking! I don't feel comfortable.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
Knowing that it's using radiation to cook this. Chernobyl.
Oh, that smells. Homeless people edition. Our lake or our river fish aren't done yet. Catfish.
Let's bring it farther away from the ground.
Yeah, bring it. You know, this is what Chernobyl looked like before it died. Ooh,
Like
we
the
haven't
80s?
put silverware in it yet.
Silver is underrated. We put a hydro flask in, which is stainless steel, so it is silver. Okay. Let's save for 25 minutes.
All right, we'll be back in 25 minutes. All right, we're back. Kind of turned to black smoke and fire still.